Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix Machine Party crashing on Steam. So step number one is going into your library, then you want to right click on your game and select properties. In general, on the launch options you can select and type -dx11 and then go to your installed files and select this verify integrity of the game files. After you did all that, you can close this, minimize Steam, and then go open your browser like that. You can type Redist in the Google search panel and then find this Microsoft Learn link. Left click on it to open, and once it's opened, you can scroll down a tiny bit until you see this paragraph, which is the latest supported redistributed versions. You want to get the x86 and the x64. Just left click on these blue links right here, and once you get it on your device, there's another options that you can do in order to fix it, and that is opening either your NVIDIA or AMD software. I'm using NVIDIA. So in here, you want to go to drivers right here. You want to refresh the page for checking updates from here. Once you found out you have some updates available, you can select this icon right here so you can get them on your device. Then you can restart your PC or laptop and try to relaunch the game again. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.